The best travel trailer to get in for first-time RVers is this style of floor plan. But behind me is a brand new one, and Winnebago has mastered the first-time camper. This is the 2024 Winnebago Access, the model 26BH with no slide outs. We're going to be taking a look at all the features, and we're starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey everyone, again, welcome back to another video. I am super excited today to be showing you guys this awesome Winnebago Access. Before I begin, gotta say hi to my partner, Will. Will, why am I happy today?
I don't know.
Show season's over.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, guys, yesterday was the last day, in real time was the last day of the Orlando RV show, which pretty much ended show season for us.
Now, we do have the RV after show party. Do you want to put the dates up here?
Yeah, bing.
You guys will be able to meet us in Fort Myers,
Orlando,
and Fort Pierce.
Fort Pierce, yep.
On those 3 days.
There you go.
Can't wait to see you guys.
So excited.
The show's over, Will, but the party's not over.
That's right.
Let's begin.
All right.
Model is, but hey, our rat race of travel around the country's over. Model is 26BH, the Winnebago Access. The actual tip length is 29 feet 1 inch. The dry weight's only 5,728 pounds. I don't have the hitch weight or tank sizes. I'm gonna say the hitch weight's probably 600 or 700 pounds.
Yep, maybe 800.
Probably not with no slide outs.
Yeah, true.
Before you tow.
Yeah.
But again, very nice lightweight travel trailer. Lippert power tongue jack here. Propane tanks go here, and your batteries go there. This is the Winnebago Access. It's their newest addition to their travel trailer lineup, and it's entry level, which means it's aluminum corrugated siding with wood framing. Okay.
Okay.
What that does, it makes it extremely price effective. Now, the difference between a higher end unit is going to be lighter weight than this.
Right.
This one's still kind of heavy for its size, but also it might be better insulated. But again, if you're a seasonal camper, you're not going camping in Minnesota in the winter, this is a great alternative for you.
That's right.
Coming on down here, we do have very nice storage.
Hold on. I feel like the camera. There we go.
Should we give a shout out?
To
Tyler Mallory.
There you go.
Give him a call in North Canton, Ohio.
Yep.
That means this is at a show.
Right.
Furion side marker cameras there, and look at that. Prepped in electric stabilizing jack.
That's cool.
Love that.
Yeah.
Coming on down the side here, we have a very nice power tongue jack. What the heck?
Man, you're getting all messed up today, huh?
Very nice power awning with LED lights. Nice door right there with the Lippert solid steps to get in and out. So Winnebago, so you know they're going to give you the Explorer package and the Comfort Tech package, which is fantastic. Coax right here with power on the outside. And then look at these tires, well, they're Castle Rocks. I love those. ST225-75R15. And what does every first-time camper want, Will?
An outside kitchen.
Yes, sir. Right here we have an awesome hot point refrigerator. A little bit of storage here.
Okay.
And a capital grill.
Very nice.
With power outlets. Well, I'm going to talk about this being one of my favorite features about this.
Okay.
So remind me to remind you to remind me why that is.
Okay.
Coming around the back, this unit is prepped for the Lippert on-the-go ladder, prepped for the Furion backup camera. You do got a 300-pound receiver hitch, 250-pound receiver hitch, good for a bike rack, and a nice bumper for the Stinky Slinky with a spare tire carrier.
Nice.
30 amp service there.
Okay.
Okay. If you do like this unit, but you want a little bit of a better bunkhouse, make sure you check out our 281. We do have a video on that one.
Right.
Right here's where you dump your tanks. Here's all your water hookup, outdoor shower, traditional water heater. Okay.
Okay.
Potable water fill.
Potable.
And then, Will, we got this right here. The other side of that storage.
This is great storage.
It really, really is. And there's even a little solar action going on as well.
Okay.
Well, the outside of this unit looks great, but the inside looks even better. Let's go take a look.
Sounds good.
Check out the inside.
All right. Starting up front, you got the nice bedroom here. You have a jackknife sofa, your kitchen, dining area here. In the back are the bunks. Right next to that is the bathroom, well, the sink area, and then in the back corner is like the bathroom shower area.
Very nice. And we're actually going to get started up here, but let's give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's episode. Matt's RV Reviews is proudly sponsored by RV Life, tools that make camping simple. Everybody knows when it comes to camping, it can be a little stressful, but not with RV Life. So first, discover, research campgrounds and other locations of interest with detailed information, but for RVers. Plan your trip accordingly with the popular Trip Planner. That software is amazing. It's going to tell you the best routes, and you can go with your RV safe GPS. Not only are you typing in your specifications so it knows not to take you under any low bridges, but you can actually use that offline. So, if you're at a place with no Wi-Fi, you'll still have your GPS, and you can share it with their RV community, guys. RV Life is more than just an app. It's an awesome program that all RVers should have. What we're doing is a free 7-day trial for Matt's RV Reviews customers and 25% off on top of that. So all you do is go to their website, rvlife.com, sign up for the free 7-day trial by clicking our link down below or typing in Matt's RV Reviews. Don't download the app because then you won't get the free 7 days. So do it on the website, register Matt's RV Reviews, then download the app. We appreciate RV Life for sponsoring this video and sponsoring Matt's RV Reviews. Let's continue the video. And we're back.
Okay.
Well, let's get started. Queen size bed. This is true 60 by 80, it appears.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. We don't even have these lights on.
I know.
A little bit of storage up here. Check out these raised up cubbies.
Right there.
Below that, drawers.
Power. US. No
Yeah.
US. Oh, yeah. USB. And USB-C.
Yep.
Let me see if I can get this drawer
Okay.
without messing up the camera too much.
Very good.
And then storage up top here as well.
No second AC unit on this, but it is prepped for the... it does have the fan right there.
It's not even prepped for a second AC, is it?
No, but it does have the fan.
Yeah.
Right here we do have the same storage and the same drawer on that side.
Okay.
And I do not know where the TV mounts.
I would imagine there.
Yep.
Oh, but there's no coax, is there?
Doesn't
Or
mean,
power on the wall.
It doesn't mean. And then right here,
Oh, I love that
we
actually.
have awesome storage. Tons and tons and tons of storage.
Okay. It's kind of weird that there's no power on the wall anymore.
Yeah, that is kind of weird. What I do like, Will, is that we do have a nice sliding pocket door.
For sure.
You know what, Will? I think I'm calling it.
I know.
I think you can't have a TV in the bedroom. No power or coax.
All right. That's really weird, actually.
Let me do one last thing.
Like, I feel like that's almost not the way it's supposed to be. It just got missed, you know?
I don't know. Well, that's not our job to decide.
I know.
We report on what we see. Here's something that I do like. I love these buttons here. Tank heaters, water pump, lights on, awnings in and out. You know what I'm saying? This is what I like to see and feel. I like to see tangible buttons. I like to feel tangible buttons, okay?
We missed some of the lights.
Yes. Right here we got storage. Storage and more storage. I like that.
Okay. I love how they still do really nice, solid cabinetry, even though this is their cheapest entry-level unit.
Oh, well,
you know?
it's Winnebago.
It is, yeah.
So, like,
They don't...
Winnebago, they got to be competitive, but they stick to their laurels. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Look at these nice valances here with... No way.
Dang.
I really like that.
You're trying to figure out.
Tank sizes. It's not on that either.
Okay.
Very, very nice unit. And then right over here, we do have very nice sofa.
You look confused.
I feel confused, but no, that's a splitter, so I'm trying to figure out if there's a TV that goes
I know.
there.
I don't think there is. I really
think there
don't.
is. I didn't see any power or
Nope.
coax in here to drill through. Gives us an easy dislike.
It does, actually.
Well, this is a nice sofa for a jackknife sofa. Now, you guys know we don't like the jackknives
Careful.
for the bed making, but out of the jackknives, it's actually a really good quality one.
It is, yeah.
And there is...
Uh-oh, you're losing your bag out there.
My bag?
Public's bag.
Oh,
Blowing away.
We'll get it later.
Okay.
But there is storage underneath there.
Okay.
Then over here, you got some storage there.
This is where the TV would go for the living space.
Yep.
And then storage there.
And then right there's the coax for the line guard and coax for the cable from the campground. Okay?
Sounds good.
Right over here, we do have a nice little dinette. Good size window right here. Love these slow ride shades.
I like that a lot too. Not something I was expecting in this class of RV.
Yep.
Nice storage down here. You want to get the other side?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And we had to take a quick phone call. Well, did I mention this drop down to make a bed?
I don't remember.
Well, it drops down to make a bed. Well, Will, do you know what time it is? It's now time
For the MSRP.
Well, MSRP on this unit here is $37,988. Will, that is MSRP.
Okay.
Miss Jen, please call Cosmo to find out what the what the sale price is that we are allowed to advertise this unit for on the internet. And Will, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
That sale price doesn't do this unit justice.
Right.
Because I know what we sell them for.
Right.
So if you're interested in getting an even better price than that, all you got to do is go to generalrv.com/MatsCash. We've linked it down in the YouTube description below. You guys can get there from MatsRVReviews.com or call 844-969-4033. Please reach out to us and a member of our team will reach back out to you guys and they will get you one thing and one thing only, and well, that is...
The best price in America.
Well, show us this awesome kitchen.
All right, we'll start right over here. Plenty of upper storage here. Nice window to let in some natural light. Extension faucet right there. And then a big single bowl sink with the cutting board inserts in the middle.
Love them.
Yes. Right here you got drawers. And another drawer.
Wow.
Little sponge holder right there. And storage underneath.
Yep.
Coming back up top, you have a convection microwave because you don't have a regular oven. Nice range hood right there. And a 3-burner. I don't know who makes this cooktop.
CL.
CL cooktop.
Hey, your friend from Pickleball.
Yeah. Again, no oven in this, but you do have, whoops, you do have pots and pans drawers here. Well, one drawer and then your breaker and fuses right there.
Perfect.
Last thing is this fridge freezer. This is a compressor fridge, so it's already getting nice and cold just off the jump boxes.
Wow. Very nice. Let's shift, Will.
Okay.
I gotta check out these bunk beds. Hold that there. All right. Evenly distributed.
Uh-oh. I don't know if you're evenly distributed.
I'm evenly distributed, Will. This is a nice bunk bed. I got windows here. Is there a window up there?
There is.
There's power, USB, and USB-C there with a little light. Okay.
Yep.
Is there a curtain up there?
Yes.
Okay, there was a curtain here, and it looks like...
Oh, a wall curtain? No, just a window curtain.
Oh, so no wall curtain.
Nope.
So maybe that's just a little mark or something. But overall, a really good bunk. Here, check this out. You think that that's supposed to...
Where?
Is this a flaw or...
Yeah, I think that's just a little flaw.
So no curtain.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's interesting.
Good to know. Very, very nice. And it is a little tall because of the outside kitchen. Perfect. Right over here is the sink. And look what's on the counter. It's liquefied in
Very
our
nice.
new selection of toilet bowl cleaners. We don't have the sensor cleaner.
Oh, man.
That's what we're missing. But we even have the new powder. Guys, this is just like Happy Camper, but our version of liquefied. So if you guys like Happy Camper, try our new stuff. Our toilet bowl cleaner, our sensor cleaner, and our whole selection of RV toilet
And
treatment
that's still
accessories.
orange scented, right?
It's still orange scented.
Yes.
Yeah, we got a lavender scent coming out too.
Okay.
Why isn't that done yet? Oh, Jen just did the link. Okay. I was like...
What the heck are you doing? Wow.
I'm sorry. Sorry, Will.
It's okay.
Will, I am so sorry. How does it feel in that
It's
shower?
okay. You would have just messed it all up too, because for you it would have passed, but for me it doesn't. It's just a little too short.
Womp womp. Why? Yeah. You're still clear.
No, there's not much headspace above me. There's like that much room.
Well, I would have passed it.
Width and depth is very, very good. I'm assuming there's supposed to be a curtain here.
Okay, yep.
Which is fine. Again, especially for this class, but it's a little short.
Perfect. Over here, we do have nice pantry space.
Okay.
So Will and I do the Macarena. Right over here, very nice. This is probably where we should have put the liquefier.
Probably, yeah.
Porcelain toilet. Will, this is a prime poop position. Bing! Very nice.
There you go.
Again, Will, I would have... You know what? We're not going to go there. That's it. That's the review. Now, before we leave, it's time to give people 3 things we love about this unit and 3 things we don't like about it. Will, what do we do first?
3 things we dislike?
No!
3 things we like?
Yes!
That's what I meant to say.
Good. Love number 1 for me, I do love this shower and this bathroom.
I actually do, too. Even though the shower was a little short for me, still really, really good for this class.
This class of travel trailer without the slide out.
I'll tell you what it is, I think, is how they did the sink outside of the bathroom.
Yes, because now I got tons of space.
Yeah.
Dude, you don't need a sink right here. Oh my god, I can't walk 2 feet.
Yeah.
Still, they could have eliminated that sink altogether, in my opinion, but it is what it is.
A lot of people do like that, though.
That's love number 1. Will, love number 2 for me. You ready?
Yep.
Can we switch spots?
Yeah.
Actually, go this way.
Okay.
Actually, I gotta get something right here.
Yeah.
You see what I did there?
Uh-huh.
Love the outside kitchen.
I know.
You know why? It's a tight RV with no slide outs.
Yep.
You gotta do the Macarena with everybody.
Right.
So when it comes to cooking, if people are in the RV, it kind of sucks. So to
It
have
does.
that outside kitchen is absolutely fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
See, you think I'm always playing games with you. I got a story behind my games. That's like number 2. Well, what's like number 3?
Shoot, I just had it and you threw me. Oh, I love how, even though this is like stick and tin, right? So this is supposed to be your cheapest travel trailer you can get.
Yes.
And it is for
It is.
Like, there might be competitors slightly cheaper, but for Winnebago, it is their cheapest. I love how nice it still is. A, the cabinetry, and B, it's stick and tin, but they used like a nicer tin. They used a nicer siding on the outside so that it doesn't just look cheap. You know what I mean? Because it's still a lot of money at the end of the day.
Oh, yeah.
And, you know, you want it to look nice.
I love it.
That.
That's 3 things we love about this unit.
Yes.
Now it's time for 3 things we don't like about it.
Okay.
Well, I'm going to go first.
Okay.
And we'll call them out. The fact that there's no TV.
Right, what the heck is that?
I don't know what's going on. Maybe this missed it. Maybe there's a wire that runs up through the floor.
Yep.
Maybe it's prepped behind the wall. Doubt it. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
I don't see anything that indicates that there's a TV there.
Nope.
That's dislike number 1. Well, I got a dislike number 2.
Okay.
But it's kind of a like as well.
Okay.
I do like the storage above here.
Uh-huh.
But I don't like this wall.
Empty.
Yep.
Okay.
Or not empty. I don't like the wall at all. I'd rather have it open space. With
it would feel a lot bigger.
It would flow better.
Yep.
But then you don't have your own privacy to the bedroom.
Correct.
So that probably
It
would have
depends
been a
how you're
dislike
camping
as well.
Yeah.
But again, we can do it that way. That's number 2. Do you have a 3rd dislike?
Mm-hmm.
Talk to me.
Dislike number 3, and it's a small thing I feel like they can fix easily, but it is so dumb how this fridge opens like this.
They should have done the 2-way fridge.
They should have done the 2-way fridge, or at minimum had it open on this side.
Yep.
You know, you're here cooking.
Dang.
You're not cooking in the bathroom.
And we'll combo it. Shouldn't those bunk beds have like little curtains?
Yeah, a little curtain.
Something. Yep. But overall, Will, a fantastic unit at a fantastic price. And we're just super honored and excited that we sell another fantastic brand here at General RV of most locations, but especially here in Ocala, Florida.
That's right.
Well, that's it. That's the review. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys reach out to my team, go to generalrv.com/MattsCash. If you do purchase your RV, send me an email, matt@mattsrvreviews.com, and I will mail you a prime poop in position bobblehead. And that's for anybody who's bought for the year 2024.
Okay.
If you guys have any questions, you can also send us an email that way. Reach out to me personally. And you can also contact us by going to our website, mattsrvreviews.com. You can also pick up some liquefied there. Will, what say you?
Guys, thank you all so much for watching. This is a phenomenal unit at a phenomenal price.
Yes.
Especially for the class that it's in. It just kicks butt. Make sure to leave down in the comments below. Let us know 3 things you like and 3 things you dislike about it. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.
Thank you, absolutely everybody, so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.